Hello, I'm Stephane Hamel, consultant, startup advisor, and keynote speaker on the topics of digital marketing and data analytics. I'm also the faculty chair for digital analytics at Simplilearn. I'd like to tell you about the role that marketing plays in the digital transformation, as well as how this evolution and the great bounty of data it brings can transform your marketing in powerful ways. Effective marketing has always been about getting the right message to the right people at the right time. Nothing in history has enabled this better than the evolution of big data and the rise of digital marketing and data analytics. Companies who successfully make the digital transformation not only collect large amounts of data about their visitors, prospects, and customers, they use this data to surgically target and tailor and time their marketing initiatives. Through a carefully orchestrated campaign of multiple touchpoints across channels, digital marketers deliver only the most relevant messages. They can do this in ways that can engage their audience unlike anything previously. The days of spray and pray are dead. Precise, data-driven targeting of online programmatic marketing, such as pay-per-click advertising and retargeting, are now essential and can be automated. Think of remarketing and marketing automation, which are based on specific, timely, and hyper-targeted call to action following specific user behavior. Without big data and machine learning, those would simply be impossible. Another area where big data plays a big role is programmatic buying. It borrows from econometric concepts, similar to what you would see in the stock market, where buying, placement, and optimization of media inventory is automated by a bidding system. As the world's largest furniture company, IKEA used their Google search expertise to not only target products to viewers on other websites and Facebook, but even to rename their own products to match highly ranked search terms such as IKEA's "My Partner Snores" bed. IKEA even analyzed online data to create products that solve common problems. For example, Apple Juice, a furniture that wirelessly charges your smartphone. Social media provides companies with the opportunity and the mission to create content that goes viral, building brands and drawing traffic. Startups like Dollar Shave Club with its CEOs Drywith and GoPro with their astounding user-created videos have used YouTube and social sharing to become legendary brands virtually overnight. Even the Ford Motor Company has innovated website design by integrating it with their user content-driven blog with reader comments upfront. Mobile marketing and mobile apps enable tailored marketing offers to reach prospects and loyal customers in the palms of their hands right when they are most ready to buy. This includes beacon or location-triggered features such as geo-fenced push notifications of discounts and reviews. Mobile apps are also ideal for loyalty programs. Even email now enjoys the power of hyper-targeting, detailed personalization, and automatic triggering based on such transactions and behaviors as subscription expiration, shopping cart abandonment, or other data that analytics shows to be good opportunities. How is digital changing the industry? Digital marketing is on the crest of the wave of digital transformation. Marketers understand the value of data, but most have yet to fully understand the tools to command it. According to McKinsey & Company, 83% of marketers say data-guided decision-making is one of their most strategic necessities. But only 10% believe they are effectively using insights about customer behaviors to improve marketing performance. Digital transformation demands agility. Companies need to make data real-time and actionable, especially in a mobile-first world. The 2017 eMarketer forecast noted that digital ad expenditures have surpassed TV for the first time, and the gap will widen by roughly $10 billion this year. TV will soon fade from its half-century of dominance in brand advertising budgets. The key message here is not whether it's the year of digital advertising, but the fact that clearly marketing dollars are shifting toward digital media. Digital transformation also brings a whole new level of tool sets. Providers like Adobe, Google, IBM, Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, and thousands of others offer helpful or essential marketing, customer relationship management, pay-per-click, data analysis, productivity, and other tools, all available on the cloud through a software as a service model. Today's marketers need to think about their technology stack, what tools they want to leverage, and then how they're going to get the skills to use and manage them. Another change that must be made is to stop seeing marketing as a series of siloed campaigns, but to integrate and sync their data and technologies to unite all channels into one customer view. According to the Digital Marketing Association, 53% of consumers feel it's important for retailers to recognize them as the same person across all channels and devices used to shop. And 78% are also willing to allow retailers to use information from their in-store purchase to provide a more personalized, real-time experience. Marketers have been a bit obsessed about behavioral data gleaned from digital marketing channels and web data, but have ignored customer relationship management and sales for the most part. The future of marketing lies in the ability for marketers to leverage big data, not for technology's sake, but for what it empowers: automation, machine learning, and at the end of the day, greater insight about their customers. Now let's talk about how digital transformation will affect your people. Digital transformation makes it necessary to create, fill, and train for new job skills, new roles, and even entirely new career paths like social media and augmented reality. Not only did many of these tools and categories not exist 10 or even 2 years ago, they are always changing. Look at Facebook, for example. If you merely checked off that box last year and haven't updated your skills recently, you're already out of date. For example, Facebook now lets marketers serve ads to people who visit their real-life stores. Today, many organizations are creating senior positions around big data, data analytics, digital marketing, and overseeing their digital transformation. The Harvard Business Review talks about the rise of new roles such as Chief Marketing Technologist. PricewaterhouseCoopers and Gartner talk about the Chief Data Officer. The growth of data assets and all its implications, including complex regulations, has given rise to the Chief Privacy Officer. For example, L'Oréal became the first big beauty player to name a Chief Digital Officer in 2014. As Chairman and CEO Jean-Paul Agon said, the goal was to accelerate L'Oréal's digital transformation regarding consumer experience, service-based innovation, customer service, and technology platforms. How can you make your team digital ready? A recent study from McKinsey confirms, again, that the biggest impediments to digital transformation are not technical, but cultural and behavioral. Aversion to risk, a siloed mindset, and non-digital culture overall. The most efficient way to overcome those barriers is to make calculated risks. Make bold bets that reflect your digital aspirations, embrace resource reallocation, which encourage people to be comfortable raising new ideas and trying things that might actually fail. Be truly customer-centric. Getting closer to your customers reduces risks and supports fast-paced change. It's a matter of survival, and the technologies and more data than you can possibly imagine exist to do it. Third, tear down the silos. The two earlier points will be facilitated if workers feel confident to share information or collaborate across functions and departments. Again, to follow up on the L'Oréal example, we can quote Martin Aubu, Chief Data Officer of L'Oréal Canada. The biggest challenge of transformation is clearly change management. Human complexity is a core factor in your plan. Implementing technology can be planned and predicted, but humans' reactions to change cannot. That's why training your existing employees should become an integral part of your digital transformation process. Hiring new talent can be a surprisingly costly alternative, but upskilling your staff in the current technologies of digital marketing and data analytics makes excellent business sense. Big data is the engine that drives digital marketing, and digital marketing itself, through analyzing responses, can add more data for understanding your customers. What matters isn't big data, but the mind shift it creates. The fact that big data forces you to think differently about the problem and its solution, be creative, and leverage new capabilities. Data is certainly one of the most valuable assets a company can have. And marketers are at the front line to leverage it in the most efficient, effective, and ethical ways. What makes good digital marketers is whether they can leverage data to better inform business decisions and then act upon that data to deliver the most relevant messages at the right time via the most appropriate means, on mobile, online, on social media, email, or in ways we can't imagine today. I'm Stephane Hamel. Thank you.